top of the line of the Indian motorcycles, a 2019 Roadmaster in steel gray smoke and thunder black smoke. Matte finishes. Great looking bike. White stitches in the seats. 4 speakers in the stereo. Big, heavy, comfortable bike going down the road with more storage than you'll ever need, thanks to the cavernous saddlebags, the trunk, and just in case, there's a luggage rack to bungee stuff down. Beautiful, beautiful bike. Our Roadmasters are available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.
But when our